Ordering custom clothes.
Good morning. I would like to order some custom clothes.
Good morning. Of course. What would you like to order?
I would like to order a shirt and a pair of pants.
What style of shirt would you like?
I want a simple shirt for work.
We have several styles and colors.
I would like a light blue shirt.
That is a good choice. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear a medium size.
Since the clothes are custom made, I need your measurements.
What does custom made mean?
It means clothes made specially for one person.
I understand now. So you will make the clothes for me.
Exactly. Let me take your measurements.
Okay. What measurements do you need?
I need your chest, waist, and arm measurements.
How long will it take to measure me?
It will only take a few minutes.
That is fine. Please go ahead.
Your measurements look good. Now let's choose the fabric.
What fabric do you recommend?
I recommend this soft cotton fabric for your shirt.
I like it. Is it easy to wash?
Yes, it is comfortable and easy to care for.
Great. I would like to use that fabric.
Good. What color would you like for the pants?
I would like dark gray pants.
Dark gray will match your blue shirt well.
I think so too. What style of pants do you have?
We have straight and slim styles.
I prefer a straight style.
Good choice. It will look simple and comfortable.
How much will everything cost?
The shirt and pants will cost $80.
That price is okay for me.
The clothes will be ready in 7 days.
What does ready mean here?
It means the clothes will be finished and ready for you.
I understand. Can I pick them up next week?
Yes, they will be ready next Friday.
Great. Do I need to pay now?
You can pay half today and the rest when you collect the clothes.
That sounds good. I will pay half today.
Thank you. I will start working on your clothes today.
Thank you. I am excited to see how they look.
You are welcome. I am sure you will like them.
Visiting a travel information center.
Good morning. I am visiting this city for the first time.
Good morning. I can help you with travel information.
I would like to know about some places to visit.
Of course. What kind of places are you interested in?
I would like to see popular places and beautiful views.
There are several good places to visit nearby.
What place would you recommend first?
I recommend the City Museum and the Central Park.
What can I see at the museum?
You can see local history, art, and old objects.
That sounds interesting. How can I get there?
You can take a bus or a taxi from here.
Is the bus easy to use?
Yes, the bus stop is only a few minutes away.
What does nearby mean?
It means a place that is close to here.
I understand now. The museum is nearby.
Exactly. You can get there quickly.
I also want to visit the Central Park.
The park is a great place to walk and relax.
Is there anything special to see there?
Yes, there is a lake, a garden, and a walking area.
That sounds nice. Can I visit both places today?
Yes, you have enough time if you start soon.
Are there any tours in the city?
Yes, we have a city tour every afternoon.
What does the tour include?
It includes several popular places and a local guide.
What does guide mean?
A guide is a person who shows visitors around a place.
I understand. How long is the tour?
It takes about 2 hours.
That sounds good. How much does it cost?
The tour costs $20 per person.
I think that is a reasonable price.
You can book the tour here at the center.
Great. I would like to book one for tomorrow.
Sure. What is your name?
My name is Lily.
Thank you. Your tour is booked for tomorrow afternoon.
Is there anything else I should know?
Bring some water and wear comfortable shoes.
That is very helpful. Thank you for your help.
You are very welcome. I hope you enjoy your visit.
I am sure I will. Have a great day.
You too. Enjoy the city.
Joining a dance class.
Good afternoon. I am here to join the beginner dance class.
Good afternoon. Welcome. Is this your first dance class?
Yes, I have never taken a dance class before.
That is perfectly fine. This class is for beginners.
That makes me feel better. I was a little nervous.
There is no need to be nervous. We will start with simple steps.
That sounds good. What do I need for the class?
You need comfortable clothes and shoes that are easy to move in.
I brought comfortable shoes and a t-shirt.
Great. That will work well for today's class.
What kind of dance will we learn today?
We will learn some basic dance moves and simple steps.
What does moves mean here?
It means different ways of moving your body when you dance.
I understand now. I am ready to learn some moves.
Good. First, stand with your feet apart and keep your back straight.
Like this?
Yes, that is right. Now move your right foot to the side.
Okay. Then what should I do?
Bring your left foot closer and move to the other side.
I think I can do that. It is easier than I expected.
Good. Now try the steps slowly and keep your balance.
What does balance mean?
It means staying steady without falling or moving too much.
I understand. I will try to keep my balance.
Great. Now we will add a simple hand movement.
This is starting to feel like a real dance.
Yes, and you are doing very well for your first class.
Thank you. I was worried I would make many mistakes.
Mistakes are normal when you are learning something new.
That makes me feel more confident.
Good. Now let's practice the steps together one more time.
Okay, I will try to follow your movement.
Excellent. Step to the right, bring your foot back, and then step to the left.
I did it. I think I am getting better.
You are. Keep practicing and the steps will become easier.
Thank you.
Buying a wedding gift.
Good afternoon. I need help choosing a wedding gift.
Good afternoon. I would be happy to help you.
My friend is getting married this weekend.
That is wonderful. What kind of gift are you looking for?
I want something useful and special.
We have several nice gifts for weddings.
What would you recommend?
This dinner set is a popular choice.
What does dinner set mean?
It means a group of plates, bowls, and cups for meals.
I understand. How much does it cost?
This set costs $60.
That is a little expensive for me.
We have a smaller set for $40.
That price is better for my budget.
Would you like to look at another gift?
Yes, please. I would like to see more options.
We also have some beautiful picture frames.
I think a picture frame could be a nice gift.
This one is simple and elegant.
What does elegant mean?
It means attractive, simple, and stylish.
I understand. I really like this frame.
It costs $25.
That is a good price for me.
We also have a gift box for it.
Is the gift box included?
Yes, the box is included with the frame.
That makes it easier to give as a gift.
Would you like to see some other small gifts?
Yes, maybe something for their new home.
These small kitchen items are very useful.
I like this coffee cup set.
This set has 4 cups and costs $30.
That sounds like a good choice.
Would you like to buy the cup set?
Yes, I think the couple will like it.
Great. I can put it in a gift box for you.
Thank you. That would be very helpful.
You are welcome. I hope they enjoy your gift.